Hi, I'm about to unbox or unbag some packages that I just got from AliExpress. Now, if you haven't heard of AliExpress, it's a cheap way to do some good shopping. They do take a little longer. They're from China. Let me just go ahead and unwrap the things I got. You'll see they come in just a plain bag that they stuff in your mailbox. So unlike Amazon, they don't come next day or even a couple of days. It takes like about 2 weeks. This was 2 weeks since I ordered this, but they were really cheap. And you have to be careful. You aren't going to get super top quality of everything, but if you're like me and you just like saving some money and seeing what you get and don't put any real super high expectations on it, you might be quite pleased with what you get. So got my scissors. I wonder. Now I'm getting items for some trips I have coming up this year. So these are going to be travel related items that I'm going to see what we have here. I'm not really sure which ones are coming because I ordered a whole bunch of stuff. So inside this bag we have another bag. So they boxed them together to make it cheaper. And of course they save on postage by sending it through, US mail. And it's got lots of, whoa, you can't see that, too much light. The Chinese writing and stuff on there first. So anyway, so yeah, it really is some kind of no middleman kind of thing. So a lot of your stuff that you get on Amazon is probably, from China too. But okay, so one of the items I ordered was a waterproof little fanny pack that you can actually, they say you can put your phone in it and even go underwater with it. I'm not sure if I'll be that daring, but it would be helpful just to have along at the beach. So here's the whole clasp. Could even try it on. So let's see, this goes this way. Wrap around my waist. Tuck my phone in there. It's got upside down. Okay, this would help. So it's got Velcro like that. And, oh yeah, this Velcro goes over there to attach with that. And if you open up, this is like a Ziploc bag as well. So, extra security, just room enough for, well, I can't put my phone in there now because it's recording this. The phone, keys, lip balm, sunscreen, whatever. Just small things that you need to keep on you when you're at the beach, and maybe you want to go in the water, but you don't want to leave your stuff on the beach if you're by yourself, or you're both out in the water or something like that. So I think I like this. This was only, I don't know, I can't remember, maybe $3. It was really cheap. I can correct that later if I was wrong. But okay, I think I know what this is. This is another item that I wanted for travel. And you may think I'm a little quirky. Maybe I am. But anyway, this is a bamboo scrub brush. And what am I bringing cleaning supplies to the beach? It comes on a cute little thing here. I know it's weird, but I stay in Airbnbs, vacation homes all the time. Rent a place for the week. And never fails. They never have good cleaning things. People steal utensils and some of the good kitchen things. So I want to make sure I have something good to scrub my dishes with, because I like to save money and eat most of my meals inside our condo or little beach house that we have. So this will be a nice small dish brush I can bring along. I used to take along a big long handle one, but that was so clunky. So got this, and I could even use it to wash my clothes if I need to scrub some clothes in the sink at night if I don't have a washer and dryer. Okay, so win-win. So far I'm doing good. Little travel items. Something very small, all in that same container. Whee! I got ready. I think it's so pretty that they still have the Chinese writing. Okay. Tear it open with some scissors. Okay. There we go. Let's see. Yep, I know what this is. This is another small item that would be very helpful on my travels. I got 3 of them because I like them so much. They are luggage tags. They got the world on them. World map. It's half the world anyway. It looks like it's Asia and Africa. Of course, this is from Asia, so they're going to highlight their own side of the world. That's fine. I'd like to go there sometime anyway, so why not? And what I like about them is, okay, so it's got the little clips. Oh, nice. They're like silicone little clips to put through your luggage handle and get it nice and secure. I'll fiddle with that later. Name, number, address in the back. I hear it's good advice to not put your address on there just to be safe, but I would put my cell phone number and my email address instead of, not your physical address. So, and this will stand out when the luggage carousel spins around all those black and dark colored luggages, suitcases. Mine will have this cute little pink thing hanging from it. And I got 3 because I want to have one on my regular suitcase, one on my backpack, and if I have any other piece, if I happen to bring some other big bag of souvenirs or something home, I can put that on it too. So, yay! 3 wins. And I wasn't expecting to get this one too, but I got something else, and it's kind of heavy. I don't know what this is. So let's zip this open. What could it be? It's kind of heavy. Could be a lot of clothes. I did order some clothes. For Christmas. Oh, never mind. This was from Amazon, actually. My floss picks, so forget that. So anyway, there we go. My unboxing of some of my travel-related items that I got on AliExpress. I am very pleased with them. I am not doing this as a promotion for them. I mean, not a paid promotion. I'm just telling you that I like to do this, and I haven't been burned yet by them, so give it a try if you want. AliExpress, AliExpress.com. And I'll be coming back more with more videos and pictures as we get closer to my vacations, and I'll tell you more about them then too. I'll just give you a little hints about where I'm going, but I'm not going to say anything yet. Shh. Okay? Thanks for watching.